Your day starts with responsibilities, decisions to make, goals to chase. But before the world asks anything from you, your body begins its work. Every breath, every movement, every moment. Inside you, millions of cells are repairing, protecting, rebuilding, non-stop. Strength isn't something you turn on when life gets hard. It's built quietly, deep within your system. When your cells are renewed, your energy lasts longer. When your defenses are strong, your focus stays sharp. Renew your cells, defend your system, fuel your day. Because when your system is strong, stress becomes manageable, challenges become achievable, and when your body is ready, you're ready for anything. Get the Combo Set B at the Loyalty Mall.